It's wash day. Y'all getting a sense of how it's gonna look, man. I'm one of those wavers that can't wait to use my comb, man. Bet. Alright. So what I normally do, I put a little bit of shampoo in there like that, run the brush under the water, and then we go. Feels alright actually, not bad. I'm not pressing hard on my scalp with it, so it's okay. But as you can see, there's not much lathering happening right now, but of course that's because of oils and all that in my hair right now. So it's not gonna lather up too much right now. This is actually my first washing style since I started over. I'm actually gonna hit it one more time with that clarifying shampoo, but I'm gonna change from the hard brush. This is a medium brush. It's actually a medium hard brush. And I didn't wet it before I started brushing. I just put the shampoo on and started brushing. All right, so now I'm gonna rinse this out. All right, so Now we're gonna try the conditioner. Really, I should use a lot more conditioner than this, but that's what I got, so.
Purchase your track today. RHLJ.
So we going for 5 minutes. Boom. What I'm gonna do also is I'm gonna put one of these on. Yeah, so while I'm waiting, we let that sit like that. All right, so we're done. Get this off. And then I'm gonna rinse this conditioner out of my hair now, but let's take a look at it real quick. And instead of letting it sit like I just did in the shower cap, what you could do is do like a quick brush. I'm gonna use this one since I don't want to mess up the one I'm gonna use next, but you could have did a quick brush with it like this.
RHLJ. 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 RHLJ.
All right, let's wash that out. So, got the wave slime. All right. There you go, wave slime. I use about that much. There's beads in this wave slime. I don't know if you can see it on my hands. I don't know if you can see those little beads right there. Alrighty. Just gonna rag up, and it's gonna be a wrap for this one. after this, I'm just gonna wash this out my hair, and then I'll keep this rag on until my hair dries completely, and then I'll reveal. So I'll show y'all the results of this washing style in tomorrow's video. All right, I'll post it on the gram and all that feel. All right, well, I hope this helps. It's your boy Tech. Until next time, peace.